Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. Welcome back to our series where we are looking at setting up a niche site. And today is the 8th tutorial in our series, and we are going to be adding some categories to our WordPress site and also look at adding some content, or look for some content ideas that we can use to populate those categories and post on our WordPress blog. So with that said, if you are coming to the channel for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that I can notify you when I publish a new video post. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So what I'm going to do first is add some categories to the WordPress site, and this is the Just Video Marketing site, by the way. So what we do is go to Post and add categories. And what I've done is I've put down some categories that I would like to add some content to. So the first one is, I would say, YouTube marketing, and I can also put YouTube marketing as a slug. And for the description, I will just say YouTube marketing posts. So I can add, it's got no parent, so I can add that as a category. I'm going to delete this category, I think, if I can. Actually, I can rename this category so that I don't need to delete it. So if I go to edit, something else I'll be doing on this blog is doing some product reviews, some products that I've personally bought. So I'll be doing some reviews on those products, and I'll be adding them to this blog. So I can just delete that and I can say video. Actually, I can just say product reviews. The category will be product reviews. Look, and product reviews. And I can just update this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stop this video and add a bunch of more categories that we're going to be publishing our post under for this tutorial. So I'll be back once I've done all that and we can continue. Okay, so I've added some categories. I've got local video marketing, online video advertising, product reviews, social video marketing, video email marketing, video marketing tools, and YouTube marketing. So those are the categories that we are going to be posting our content under. And so each post that we make will come under one of these categories, or they could come under more than one. So with that said, let's go back to our dashboard. And let's go to posts. can add a new post under one of these categories. And in terms of content for our posts, I've come up with some ideas that we can use to get content ideas, and I'll go through each and every one of these lists and just show you how I'm going to be using them to get content for our blog. So Quora is a question and answers website, and basically what happens with Quora is you go to Quora and you basically look for questions that people have posted on their group, and you can provide answers to those questions, and you can also link back to either your blog or your YouTube channel. So let's go to Quora and see how I have been using this website. So I go to Quora. I've been active on Quora for the past month or so, and I've got some very good results from using this website. And the beauty about Quora is you can more or less get questions from for whatever niche that you want to have a WordPress site for, and you can answer questions, and yeah, you can just become an authority in your niche just by looking for questions and answering those questions. One of the niches that I'm heavily involved in, which is under video marketing, is YouTube marketing, and I've been answering quite a few questions under this. Basically, under Quora, they have this this feature called Spaces, and under each space, it's dedicated. This particular one is dedicated to everything YouTube, so you can get questions on YouTube videos, YouTube SEO, YouTube channels, YouTube tips and tricks, YouTube latest updates, trends, blogs, and whatsoever. And as you can see, they have 4,000 people under this group. So what you can do is you can even make posts as well. You can do submissions, you can answer questions, and yeah, once your post or your question is answered, you have the potential for all these people to see your post. So let me show you one of the questions that I answered. I think it's this one right here. How can I add a subscribe button to my YouTube videos? I tried it by adding a landmark through YouTube Studio, and it has been added, but not showing on any of my studios. Why? So what I did is I came here, and what normally happens is if people like your content, they would put an upvote on it. So as you can see, I was one of the people that answered this question, and basically I gave them steps that they can use to add the subscribe button to their YouTube videos. And the bit about Quora is if you add images or videos, your videos stand out. So which is what I've did, and as you can see, I've got 14 upvotes, and I've also got a lot of traffic as well. As you can see, I've got 1.2 thousand views on this post, and compared to the other guys that have answered this question, and that's a lot of traffic. And I've also got my website on the top, so some of that traffic will filter. Some of the people that have viewed this post will go back and view my my blog, which is just videomarketing.com, which is the which is what this tutorial series is based on. So what I can do is I can answer a lot of questions there. So for instance, what I can do as a blog post is I can reposition this data on my blog since it's got a lot of views. So what I can do is I can more or less edit. I can edit this. Not sure if I can actually edit. But what I can do is I can more or less use this as an inspiration for a post on my channel. So again, I can come back to because as you can see, a lot of people are looking for answers to this same question. So one of the things I can do is I can either make a YouTube video, which I plan to do, post it on my blog, post it on my YouTube channel, and then link back to that information to my blog. So again, I can, for the purpose of this, I can just say add new. What I can say is for this post to add a subscribe button to YouTube videos. And then what I can do is come back to Quora, look at the answer that I've given, and then can more or less copy this content and so do that. So what I can now do is I can repurpose this document. So I can take this off and say something like here are the steps to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos, or is a step-by-step tutorial, because the whole idea is you make this content unique, so you don't really want to copy them. You don't really want to copy it word for word. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to add a subscribe button. So I'm going to pause this video while I add some more content to this post, and I'll be back to show you what I've done. So I've modified the document, added some bits and pieces to it so that it's unique, and what I can now do is go to a category, and I'm going to paste it on the YouTube marketing category, and we can just publish this. Document. So we can go and now view the post. As you can see, we already have our post, and it's on the YouTube category, YouTube marketing. And something else we can also do is edit this post and acknowledge our source. So this is one of the ways that you can repurpose information that you've got from somewhere else and make it your own. So I can come to the category and click on where I got the post from and come back to our website, and then come to the bottom and just say source. What I can actually do is, just a source scorer, click on that link and then add our link in there. So then we can just update. We can view our posts. As you can see, we already have a post. So that's the first way to get some content by going to Quora, looking at answering some questions, and you can repurpose the answers for your very, very popular posts. So that's it for this tutorial. In subsequent tutorials, I'll be showing you how to come up with content for using some other sources, and I will also have added some more content to the blog by then, and I'll show you how I came about that content. So with that said, hope you've enjoyed today's video. Do remember to hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that I can notify you once I post some more new content on this channel. So with that said, have a fantastic day. Bye.